really terrible right now. And it's helping me to keep me from falling over, getting dizzy.
Because you're learning how to distribute your weight, yeah? Does it help you with your breathing as well?
Yeah, once I get that together.
Because normally we're not talking when you're doing this, so
Right.
you're breathing through your nose down to your lower dantian. Very nice. So
I really enjoy this class. It gives me, it helps me with anxiety, the breathing, and the slow movement, and controlling my body parts. So it's really awesome. And anybody, I mean, I'm 72, so anybody can do this.
well, you look amazing, and you don't look 72. And thank you so much, Iris, and we hope you keep coming. Thank you.
Oh, I will.
Bye-bye.